Well, a few days ago, my best friend and I were having drinks in a bar, and then he asks me, hey, Neo, how do you pronounce this, bro? And I was like, Seoul. And he says, come on, bro, it's not pronounced as Seoul, it's pronounced as Seoul. Okay, don't you know? It's the capital of South Korea. Come on, man. You even made a video on K-pop which got removed in YouTube. And then I was like, oh, it's pronounced as Seoul. I did not know that. Then we had another bottle of Old Monk, and rest of the evening, I don't remember it much. So here are the city names of South Korea, alphabetical order. So let's begin. Angdong, Ansan, Anseong, Anyang, Ansan, Boryong, Bucheon, Busan, Changwon, Cheonan, Cheongju, Cheongcheon, close enough, chalega. Cheongju, Daegu, Daejeon, Dangjin, Dongdacheon, Donghae, yeah, okay, Donghae, Gangneong, Gyeonggi, Gimcheon, Gimhae, Gimji, Jimpo, Gongju, Gyeongyang, Gumo, Gunpo, Gunsan, Guri, Gwacheon. Okay, close enough. Come on. Guangju, it's the same thing, man. Come on. Guangmyong, Guanyang, Guyeongsan, Gwaryong, Hanam, okay, Icheon, Iksan, Incheon, Jeonggyuk, Jeonju, Jeju, Jinju, Naju, Namyangju, Namwon, Nonsan, Miryang, Mokpo, Munghyong, Osan, Paju, Pocheon, Pohang, Pyeongtaek, Sacheon, Sangju, Samcheok, Seojeong, Seogwipu, Seongnam, Seonsan, Seoul or Seoul as my friend said. And that's it. And there are some more city names which I'm not gonna pronounce because yeah, that's all I can pronounce. See, ladies and gentlemen, with a bottle of Old Monk, anything is possible. Come on, next time get me a case of beer and a packet of biryani and I'll speak German for you guys in no time. And that's it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. This is Neo signing out, and take care of yourself and take care of each other. That's it for this video, man. See you around.